Hello children, today we are starting English Grammar Standard 5, Chapter number 10, Kinds of Adverbs. Adverbs are words that tell us more about the verbs, adjectives or other adverbs in a sentence. For example, the cat purrs happily. Happily tells us more about the verbs of purr. I am almost nervous to see this. Almost tell us more about the adjectives nervous. Mala picked up her kitten very gently. Very tell us more about the adverbs gently. Now read this sentence first. Niharika sing beautifully. Eat quietly. Mayank work well. In this color. The color word is this sentence are adverb. These are a adverb. They answer the questions how. They answer the questions how. Adverb that tell us how an action take place are called adverb of manner. The adverb that tell us how the action take the place are called adverb of manners. Now read this sentence. First example. We reached the station late. Today, this is a adverb of manners and this is a place. Today, I will go to the market. The color word in this sentence are adverbs. This color word are adverbs. They answer the questions when. Adverb that tell us when the action take place are called adverb of time. Read this sentence. First example, please take off your shoes outside. The children are playing upstairs. The colored word in this sentence are adverb that answer the questions where. Adverb that tell us where an action take place are called adverb of place. For example, read this sentence. The weather is extremely hot. He has just arrived. The color word in this sentence are adverb that answer the questions to what extent. Adverb that tell us the degree of extent of an action or a quality are called adverbs of degree. Read this sentence. First example. They are always on time. I hardly get to meet my neighbors. Ravi can never stay quiet. The colored word in this sentence are adverb that answer the questions how many times or how often. Adverb that tell us how often an action take place are called adverb of frequency. These are a action of frequency. Okay, let's start the exercise. Exercise number A. Filling the blanks with the ly forms of the adjectives given in the box. Now first, her son behaved naughtily. He quietly listened to our problem. Gauri sat and waited patiently. Ashok whistled loudly to himself. The children danced beautifully. She speak affectionately. The teacher shouted angrily. She happily gave him a pat. Next exercise. Uncircle the adverb of time. Uncircle the adverb of time and underline the adverb of quality. Now, first, we reached the station late. Late is adverb of time. So, uncircled. Next, they will attend a meeting in Delhi tomorrow. Tomorrow is adverb of time. So, uncircled and underline this word. It is my friend's birthday party tonight. Tonight, time, early is also time. Early people did not know that food could be cooked. The principal will give underline a speech today. Today is time of adverb of time in the school hall. Now next exercise, choose the right adverb of place. Choose the right adverb of place and fill in the blanks with the help of this box. First, come outside to see the lovely birds flying in the sky. Second, I searched everywhere for my lost ring. Go and stand there. Mother asked the salesman to wait indoors. I have met this man somewhere. Exercise number D. Choose the correct adverb of degree. Choose the correct adverb of degree and fill in the blanks with the help of box. Katrina ate almost all the pastries kept in the fridge. Ravi and Himani have fully solved the problem. The player who scores the most will be the winner. I am very sorry for the delay. In June, it is extremely hot to go out during the day. It has been nearly 4 months since I saw him last. Victoria, in my opinion, is completely mad. The concert was absolutely wonderful. Ankita lived a quite stressful life. Maria is really nice. Next exercise. Insert the correct adverb from the bracket in the following blank. Identify the types of adverbs that you have choose. Now first, the children are playing outside. This sentence is adverb of place. My mother cooked fairly. This sentence is adverb of manners. They sung wonderful. This sentence is adverb of degree. She is very happy. This sentence is adverb of degree. I will go to the post office tomorrow. This sentence is tomorrow is adverb of time. Turn page. I met him there. There is adverb of degree. Nancy speaks French fluently. Fluently is adverb of manners. The play was absolutely fantastic. Absolutely is adverb of degree. Next exercise. Choose the correct adverb of frequency and fill in the blanks. We celebrate your foundation day annually. We seldom went to see movie. They are best friends and they always to go school together. Amir is very neat. His work is rarely untidy. My father is very punctual. He always reach office before time. Navdeep is an excellent student. He always go to school. It almost always rains in Cherrapunji. In the sun seldom shines there. Pratyusha goes to the bench whenever she can. She never misses a chance to go to the ocean. Now last exercise number G, filling the blanks with adverbs given in the box. I am going to tidy my room tomorrow. We are waiting for him outside his house. I looked for my glasses everywhere. This magazine is published monthly. I ate 2 sandwiches. I am hungry still. Avinash is never late for work. Monica is extremely happy because she won the first prize. The little kitten leaped playful from one place to another.